In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem your Udemy credits quickly and easily. If you've received promo credits from a previous purchase or a special offer, this is exactly how to activate them and start learning right away. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Once you're set, type the word Udemy into the search bar and hit enter. The official Udemy website should appear at the top of the results, so click on it. If you aren't already signed in, take a moment to log into your account. After you're on the home page and logged in, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture. Click on it and a menu will appear. From that menu, choose the option labeled Udemy Credits. This will take you to the credits page where you can redeem any promo code you have. Find the space provided to enter your promo code and type it in exactly as shown. Promo codes are sensitive to spelling and formatting, so double check that everything matches perfectly. Once you have entered the code, select the redeem button. Your credits will be added to your account instantly, and you should see your updated credit balance right away. After that, you are free to use your credits to purchase any course that interests you. And that's all it takes. Redeeming Udemy credits is simple, fast, and a great way to access new learning opportunities. Thanks for watching, and feel free to explore more of our guides to get the most out of your online learning experience.